Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Nothing Phone 1 versus Motorola Edge 30 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Nothing Phone 1 has a 6.55 inches screen, while the Motorola Edge 30 has a 6.5 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Nothing Phone 1 comes with an OLED display, while the Motorola Edge 30 comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Nothing Phone 1 has a 402 pixels density, while the Motorola Edge 30 has 405 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Nothing Phone 1 has 85.8% and Motorola Edge 30 has 86.2%. In a refresh rate comparison, Nothing Phone 1 support only 120Hz high refresh rate, while the Motorola Edge 30 support up to 144Hz high refresh rate. Nothing Phone 1 comes with Gorilla Glass 5 display protection, while the Motorola Edge 30 comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Nothing Phone 1 has 159.2 mm, while the Motorola Edge 30 has 159.3 mm. Nothing Phone 1 has 75.8 mm in the width, while the Motorola Edge 30 has 74.2 mm width. Nothing Phone 1 has 8.3 mm in the thickness, while the Motorola Edge 30 has only 6.7 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Nothing Phone 1 has 193.5 grams, while the Motorola Edge 30 has 155 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Nothing Phone 1 comes with two different colors, and the Motorola Edge 30 also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Nothing Phone 1 has a dual camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, and 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Motorola Edge 30 has a triple camera setup, with a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Nothing Phone 1 supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, and the Motorola Edge 30 also supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Nothing Phone 1 comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Motorola Edge 30 comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, both these phones are powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus chipset. In a CPU comparison, both these phones supports up to octa-core 2.5 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, both these phones comes with the same Adreno 642L GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Nothing Phone 1 comes with a Nothing OS based Android 12 operating system, while Motorola Edge 30 comes with a stock Android based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Nothing Phone 1 comes with three variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, while the Motorola Edge 30 comes with two variants: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Nothing Phone 1 is 4500 mAh, while in the Motorola Edge 30 has 4020 mAh. Both these phones supports up to 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, Nothing Phone 1 has scored 591,846, while Motorola Edge 30 has scored 541,618. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Nothing Phone 1, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 31,999 rupees. 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 34,999 rupees, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 37,999 rupees. Motorola Edge 30, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 27,999 rupees. 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 29,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.